What we are seeing today is a rapid transformation in the logistics and warehousing sector, driven by automation, digitalization, and smart supply chain solutions. From advanced material handling systems to AI-driven warehouse management, the industry is evolving faster than ever. Our platform acts as a catalyst, enabling meaningful conversation, partnerships, collaborations, and exchange that push the entire ecosystem forward. Mumbai is a natural choice for this expo. As India's financial and logistics hub, it offers excellent connectivity and access to key industrial hubs and warehousing clusters. This ensures strong participation and makes it easier for industry leaders to connect, collaborate, and drive real business. Come and be a part of this expo from 14th to 16th of May at Bombay Exhibition Center, Mumbai. We're going to have 450 plus brands, 12,000 plus industrial participations, and 30 plus participating countries. We're going to have multiple conference sessions, including Pharma Supply Chain Summit and Warehousing and Supply Chain Summit as well.